Pavitra, you also mentioned about the central contracts. Is it only for 15s or 7s? What's the plan?
Yeah, good question. We're starting with the 7s because the 15s program, as you know, would require at least 40 to 45 contracts, and that's really expensive. Starting with the 7s with with our short-term goal of winning a medal at the Asian Games. So these players will go into a full-time, as I said, full-time program with a really professional coach that we have looked at. We have shortlisted 2 at the moment. Both have experience from the Crusaders Academy, and one of them is currently working with this Crusaders Academy. And so, but the target is hopefully by the following year, we do split both the squads and have 2 separate squads. So I truly believe by not next year, the following year we can be second in Asia in the 15s when Korea and Dubai come back to Sri Lanka. And if we can do that, definitely we'll have the sponsorship required to have 2 separate squads, because unless you have 2 separate squads, we can't really compete with the rest of the world who's ahead of us. Because right now, the international rugby calendar is made for 2 separate teams. So with Sri Lanka, we have the same players are playing. From some of the players I know have been playing 2023 to now, non-stop competitive rugby. You cannot do that. Not in this era with this kind of intensity. It's just the body. So you're just going to end up with lots of injuries and burnout, and the player performance just dips. So if you're really serious about moving forward in Sri Lanka rugby, we do need to have that. But of course, we just came, as you know, and there's a 48 million deficit that we took over. It's a lot of work to do, but we are confident because we really want to make that happen. And with the interest and the plans that we are putting in place, hopefully 2027, yeah, we'll have separate squads, separate fully contracted players. Thank you.
කොහෙන් හරි කමන්නේ ෆොටෝ එක තිබ්බනම් මට මේ බිත්තියේ කැත වහගන්න තිබ්බා.
චෞමරි අක්කා. බිත්තියට ස්විස් ටෙක් ස්කිම් කෝඩ් ගාලා ෆිනිෂ් කළා නම් ඔය ප්‍රශ්න මුකුත් නැහැ.
ස්විස් ටෙක් ස්කිම් කෝඩ් ෆිනිෂ් එකට හොඳම කෙනා.